What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. For the past day and a half, it has been snowing non-stop here in the Northeast United States. Here in New York City, we got about, depending on where you live, 12 to 18 inches, and everywhere else outside of New York City got even more, up to 20 to 24 inches. So it's definitely classified as a blizzard, and something that we haven't really had in the last few years here in the Northeast. We've had some good snowstorms, but nothing of this magnitude. And as you can see right behind me, I've shoveled our driveway over here, which took about 2.5 hours or so, and we had to pile it all the way here in the backyard, almost as tall as me, actually. Yeah, just as tall, about 5 feet and 8 inches right there. So a lot of snow, and still more snow to be moved around. And right now we're gonna walk around the neighborhood and see what kind of damage this blizzard caused. And it's already caused a lot of disruptions, obviously, as any kind of blizzard would do. And right now, let's have a look. Even though we got about 12 to 18 inches of snow and ice here in New York City, here in Queens, it doesn't look too bad, only because throughout the day, to go along with the snow, it's been raining on and off, and so that's actually melting some of the snow and ice that's accumulated over the evening. And so it's not too bad. Like, there's some of the roads are clear. Once again, there's just a lot of the snow, so trying to dump it somewhere is always going to be problematic. But as you can see over here, a lot of the sidewalks are clear, and here's our block over here, and it's mostly navigable, not too bad. And the only problem is my car is currently buried right over here. I'm not gonna be using it for the next few days, so that can stay there. I'm just gonna clear it, warm it up a little bit. Otherwise, it's good to go. Good to go. See a lot of people over here shoveling their driveway so they can get their car out into the street. A lot of snow piles everywhere. It was quite the storm. They said it's gonna snow a little bit again tonight and into the evening. And yeah, someone here didn't shovel their snow, unfortunately. Not very safe, but I think this house is not occupied at the moment. It's on sale, so nobody's shoveling the front. Even so, the landlord's gotta come, right? Yeah, otherwise everywhere else, they've done their job. Looks good. Probably gonna head out later. Probably go for a quick run after a nice 2-hour shoveling session. But right now, actually, I am going to try to make my way inside my car and start it up, warm it up, and clear the windshield, do a little maintenance to keep it going. But yeah, this is it. This is the big blizzard of 2021 so far. Let me know if you guys were affected by this storm as well, if you live in the Northeast. If not, if you're living elsewhere in the United States or anywhere else in the world, have you experienced any kind of snowstorm or blizzard like this? And yes, it's pretty awesome actually. I know a lot of people don't like the snow. I personally love the snow. I love shoveling. There's nothing else quite like it. Nice, simple pleasures of shoveling. It's very therapeutic for me. For a lot of people, it's a nightmare. But I love that kind of workout, that kind of labor. So it's good stuff. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna check out, get my day started. As usual, press like and subscribe, and see you guys at the next video.